Hello guys, welcome to PR Vlogs and welcome to another video on my channel. So here I'm Vikasan who is working in IBM from Anand Nagar. Okay, so let's interview him and ask some questions of malls.
Hi Pranay, good evening.
Good evening.
How are you doing today?
Yeah, good. Okay. Today is going to be the first question of today's video. Do you think August malls will be open or no?
Yes, Pranay, malls have been opened since the last 1 month, but mall owners have been complaining that business has been down since people have been refraining from shopping. So it may take another 5 to 6 months till people start coming regularly to malls for purchase.
Okay. In case malls are open, can owner of mall guarantee social distancing will be or no?
Yes, Pranit, in city, urban areas and all, people are learned and educated, so obviously they will follow social distancing norms. Temperature checks will be done regularly, and as soon as you enter the mall, you need to sanitize your hands.
Okay. What precautions taken by the malls during this to prevent COVID-19?
Precautions, yeah, as I pointed out in the previous question, before you enter, you need to your temperature will be checked, and provided your temperature is normal, then only you will be allowed to enter, and your hands need to be sanitized. If at all there is any discrepancy in the temperature notice, then people will not be allowed to enter the malls.
Okay. How to prevent overcrowding in the malls during this COVID?
Yeah, so Pranit, that's a very good question. To oversee that situation, mall owners must understand that there must be a cap on the number of people attending the malls. So, to my knowledge, I guess there are only around 50 to 100 people entering the malls today.
Okay. How will customers attract the shops during this COVID?
People will go to malls to buy all the essential items, so there will be a cut on all the fast moving consumer goods. So it's natural that people will start going out to malls in the coming days.
Okay. How will be the attendance of the malls will be?
Attendance will be down, Pranit. It may take another few weeks since people will start coming again to the malls in high numbers.
Okay, thank you Vikas Anna.
Thank you, Pranit. All the very best.
Thanks Anna. Okay, thank you guys. Hello guys, welcome to Pranit Sachit Vlogs show. So here I'm going to interview Reshma Patel Akka to based on interview questions only. So let's get started. So you can introduce yourself, then we'll start the video.
Hi, I'm Reshma Patel. I'm working in Tawant. I'm a citizen of Anand Nagar.
Okay. Your first question going to be based on malls only. Okay. So last month I heard that the malls will be open. So how are you thinking malls will be open or no? Do you think the malls will be open or no?
I think it is a very bad idea to open the malls in this situation because usually people go to malls because they want to buy branded products. And I think right now, in the situation of COVID-19, there is no necessity of buying branded clothes or perfumes or branded shoes or, watching a cinema in a big screen.
Okay.
Those are all luxurious life. I think right now we need to take care of our health, stay safe at home, and we need to prioritize our health more than these luxurious celebrations. Some people go to malls to celebrate their birthday parties or buy luxurious clothes and stuff. So I think right now that is not the phase that we should focus at. I think it's a very bad idea to open malls.
Okay. In case malls are open, can owner of mall guarantee social distancing will be?
uh, Firstly, I oppose opening of malls, and secondly, if at all malls open, it is a very very difficult situation for the mall owners or authorities or the facilities at the mall to control people, because people go to malls so that they can spend time and walk around and have food at restaurant or watch movies, and then they want to sit at the stairs near the a movie or outside the mall or near the lawn. So this is not the right time to do all that stuff. If you really want to enjoy movies, watch movies at home. If you want to enjoy movies at big screen or with a popcorn, do that at home with your family members. There is no difference, whether you watch movies at home or whether you watch movies at the theaters. I think it's all the same thing as long as you're doing it with your family members. So and basically, another disadvantage is, for example, there are people who are coming at malls. One of them is infected with COVID-19. How will the government track their primary contacts? Will the mall authorities will help help the government to track the primary contacts of the entire people who came to mall? I think that is also another thing that we should focus at. So it's not a good idea. Eventually, it is not. It's gonna risk a lot of lives.
Yeah, correct. Okay. What precautions taken by the malls during this to prevent COVID-19 in the malls?
Don't open malls.
Okay. How to prevent overcrowding in the malls during COVID?
Again, don't open malls. There won't be any overcrowding.
Okay. How is the business going to be affected during this COVID-19?
Business with respect to mall owners or shopkeepers, or what is?
Like full
Okay.
includes mall shops. As I said.
Any okay. Yes, there will be an impact on the business. A lot of people, like, let's say, even a small shopkeeper, a cobbler, a vegetable vendor, or a mall owner, everybody in the supply chain is definitely going to get affected. But then, let's face it, this is the reality. We will definitely pass this phase. It is just going to be another year or so to get the vaccine, and then you can start on increasing profits on your business. It is just a phase, and this cloud will pass too.
Okay. How will customers attract the shops during this COVID?
I think they are doing a lot of marketing strategies, like, giving a lot of offers. I saw there's 50% off on Reliance. There's offers on a lot of other, brands and products. This is how they are trying to attract. But I think what you should mostly prioritize is your health and not go by, these marketing strategies.
Okay. How will be the attendance of malls will be?
I hope it is nil, but I'm not sure. I mean, it depends on the crowd and people, and I don't know. If people think that they have to value their life and should not risk their life, then it should be zero.
Yeah.
But yeah,
Okay. Thank
hopefully.
you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Hello guys, welcome to PR Blog Pranit Sachit Vlogs, and welcome to interview 3. And here am I, Sumuk S, to interview based on malls. So Sumuk, you can introduce yourself, then we'll go into the video.
Yeah, Pranit, I'm Sumuk S of class 10th, studying in Sharada Vidyaniketana, Mangalore, Devinagar, Talapadi.
Okay, thank you. Okay, this is based on malls. I heard the news the malls are opened. So what you're thinking based on malls? So I'm asking those questions only. Do you think malls will be open or no?
According to the news, the malls are open. Actually, malls should not be open, but they are open for business purposes.
Okay. In case malls are open, can owner of mall guarantee social distancing will be?
I think social distancing is a major priority, but I don't think people will follow it because people may come in crowd in the mall, but I don't think it may be assured.
Okay. What precautions taken by the malls to prevent COVID-19?
To prevent COVID-19, Pranit, I think the malls should sanitize they should actually sanitize the floors, and they should put masks, and hand sanitizer should be given to everybody at free of cost, so that people are safe in the malls.
How to prevent overcrowding in the malls during COVID?
Overcrowding in the malls can be prevented, can be reduced by sending people one by one, like not like one by one. I think 10-15 members can go and come outside. Like, people should be patient. They should have patience to wait.
Yeah.
By this can prevent it.
How is the business going to be affected in the malls?
Business will be obviously affected, not only of malls. Many shops have been affected, but malls are like really gone. Like business are really down for the malls, especially for the movie theaters which are running like PVR, Inox, and other movie theaters. It has become nil for them.
Okay. How will customers attract the shops during this COVID?
Yeah, like the shopkeepers, the owners attract customers by putting so many offers. Yeah, obviously they will put so many offers because people also don't have money to purchase it.
Yeah. But how will the attendance of the malls will be?
Obviously, attendance of the mall will be less, but I will never say that it will be nil because people are interested in buying the branded products also. Like, yeah, people will come. I don't think people will not come. People will come,
Yeah.
but it will be less.
Okay, thank you, Sachit. And thank you, Sumuk, also. Sachit as cameraman. Thank you.